Just here to brief you about the agenda which got approved in today's cabinet. So firstly, the cabinet has approved to place the bill named Meghalaya Floodplain Zoning Bill 2026. Secondly, proposal for establishing the Police Accountability Commission as per Section 73 of the Meghalaya Police Act 2010. Third is the amendment of the Meghalaya Police Act 2010. Fifth is the schedule for the conduct of election to the GHADC 2026. Fifth is approval for the revised cost estimate for below mentioned sport infrastructure for 39 national games. A. Aquatic and Tennis Complex Sauli. B. Hostel Block Sauli. C. Sunny Hills Tura. D. Patagon Nemengja Sangma Athletic Stadium Tura. 6 is transfer of reorganization cell to Home Political Department. And 7 is consideration of the report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy Meghalaya. So these were the agenda which got approved today in the cabinet. So under this commission we have appointed Shri Peter Ingti, IAS retired as chairman of this committee, and Srimati V.R. Sen, retired IAS, which retired as secretary in the government of Meghalaya, as member of this committee. So it's like this: the date for calling the constituent to elect their representative under Rule 124(2), it's 9th of March 2026. Next is last date for filing of nomination is 16 March 2026 before 3 p.m. Date of scrutiny of nomination paper it is on the same day, that is 16 March 2026 after 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of the nomination paper will be on 17 March 2026 till 3 p.m. Date of finalization and publication of valid nomination and allotment of symbols will be on 18 March 2026, and date of poll will be on 10 of April 2026 from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and date of counting will be on 14 of April 2026. These are the schedule. See is that just today we have approved that it will be tabled on Wednesday on the floor of the house. So it will be tabled, and so until before that I cannot say anything. Estimate which increase, the revised estimate which increased above 25%, so it has to be got approved from the cabinet. So that's why we brought this under the cabinet for approval.
So how much it will be now?
No, it has crossed the amount of 25%, because all this, like I already mentioned, the aquatic and tennis complex, because we have to add additional practice pool, diving pool, and along with the sitting arrangement based on the request from the IOA when they come for inspection. That's why the amount will increase, and so with the other projects.
So this is from the state fund, or will be asking?
From the state fund, yeah.